Hey guys, welcome to Coolif Adventures, and today I have a tips and tricks install for the Prinsu roof rack. This is their universal roof rack, 6 feet long by 54 inches wide, that goes on truck toppers. And this one comes with mounting feet that mount to the normal T-track tracks you can get when you purchase the truck topper. So you can see here, 7 slats across. It fits well. This is a GMC Sierra 1500 with the shorter bed, so it's the 5 foot 8 inch or so bed, so it fits well. And this is the mounting. You can see how wide it is. It fits really well. I think it fits the lines really well, just barely starting the curve. And then we'll get up here. So you can see this is the standard foot. My rails are 42 inches span. So like the center of this rail to the center of that rail is 42 inches. And there's approximately about 3.5 inches from the edge to the end of this. So it looks like maybe 44 inches is the widest you want your rails to be to still use these standard mounting feet. There's the Lear or the extra wide mounting feet that you can get if your tracks are even wider. Here's just an idea of the support brackets on all 4 corners. These are locking nuts. No more lock washers in the bag, they said. So I used all Loctite, or the Loctite replacement they provided on all the nuts and bolts. So you have the T30 or Torx 30 size down the side. And this one has 6 mounting feet. And then on top here, it's nice, they have these slots cut in. So you don't have to loosen this up to access this top slot. You can normally drop in whatever T-slot accessory and slide the nut down. On the sides and the bottom and the front, you'll have to undo these, pop it up, and then slide in your accessory. One thing that helped was putting it all together on the ground, measuring the distance between your tracks, and then sliding the plate inside your track first, putting your whole system on top, and then tightening down the location of these in the final location with it mounted on top, just so you can get it to the right area, the right slot. One thing I'll mention is you don't want to over tighten. This topper has a slight curve to it. So if you over tighten, it's gonna lift this track. You want it snug, but not too tight, because at a certain point when I was tightening it, it actually lifted this track on one side, or both sides slightly. And you don't want to do that. It's gonna be tight in there. It's really hard to slide it out, especially with 6 mounting pads. And then the track I have actually has a cutout right here, so you can drop in the mounting plates and slide them through. You don't have to take this out to get to the slot. But yeah, that's the rack right there. You can find the actual installation instructions on Prinsu's website because they do not include it in the case. And let me know if you have any questions and with mounting one of these or using one of these, and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks, guys.